Positioned within walking distance of Barrymore Road shopping strip, St. Carlos Primary School, the Medical Centre and the future Secondary College is your destination at 208 Greenvale Drive, Greenvale. My name is Jason Sassine from Jason Real Estate, and it's my absolute pleasure that I can present to you this fully renovated double-storey family home in the heart of Greenvale. With all the hard work being done, simply move in, put on the kettle and do the unpacking. Contact me for a private inspection. Thank you for watching.